Hello and welcome to another video of AI-powered AI use cases, wherein in this segment, we are going to look at understanding financial statements. Again, these agents have been created using Gemini Enterprise. This use case is around understanding the different terms and providing an executive summary, financial metrics, uh, what does each metric mean, an analysis of a stock or a company like Tesla. What I've done is I have downloaded this financial statement from Tesla's website, and this is the statement. I have curtailed it from some page numbers, only 16 pages for the demo. This document, this PDF file is available for you to consume in the GitHub repository link mentioned in the video description section below. So as usual, what we're going to do is follow this sheet. Again, this sheet is available in the GitHub repository, wherein it provides you detailed descriptions, instructions, and models to understand how to build this agent. And once you build this agent, you have an option to plot the data directly in the agent. And you would see that this plot was generated by AI, which compares yearly KPIs. With that said, let's see how you build this agent. So step number one is I go back to Gemini Enterprise, go to agents to click on new agent, or you can also click on new agent here. This is an agent designer screen. Click on proceed to builder. If you want a little bit of more space, just hide this on the left, drag it here, click on this. You give name, description, and instructions from the from the sheet that I just showed it to you. So having said that, let's copy the details from the sheet here. I'm going to copy the agent title. In the title, I'm going to copy the description. And I'm also going to copy the agent instructions over here. And once you have done, you can also do it for a project as well. So if you have a project, financial metrics that you want to analyze, feel free to use the same prompt. Make sure you understand what metrics are being generated, and you can modify it based on your requirement and click on create. Voila, the agent is created. Now, all you need to do is upload the file. Again, you get the file from the, and then you have Tesla financial reports. And you're going to copy the prompt from here. You would say, there you go. You copy the prompt and run it. It's going to run, execute, and in the next few seconds, it's going to show you the details. Now, imagine these kind of PDF understanding of your, auto insurance or home insurance, understanding what liabilities and coverage you have, understanding financial documents, understanding key metrics, total revenues, and things like that. Everything is possible. And then you can also create visualizations directly, as I have done here. So all you have to do is say that plot this data in a graphical format, and it does understand that you're doing a financial analysis, and it plots the data over. Again, with that said, thank you for watching.